Hi, welcome to Radiantmindsacademy. Today's lesson will help you master how to solve this type of question and any question involving logarithmic exponentiation. And also, if you want to skill up your mathematics and science knowledge, this channel is the right place for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now, let's dive into the solution. So the question is 49, the log of x minus 1 to base 7 minus 5 to the log of 3x to base 5 plus 10 to the log of 5 to base 10 equal to 0. Now at this point, we can be able to express 49 in base 7. So we have that this can become 7 raised to the power of 2 log of x minus 1 to base 7 minus 5 raised to the power of log 3x to base 5 plus 10 raised to the power of log 5 to base 10. Everything is equal to 0. Now at this point, recall that if n multiply by log m to base b, this can also be expressed as log m all raised to the power of n to base b. Thus, we have the equation becomes 7 raised to the power of log of x minus 1 all raised to the power of 2 to base 7 minus 5 raised to the power of log 3x to base 5 plus 10 raised to the power of log 5 to base 10 equal to 0. Recall that if b raised to the power of log of a to base b, this is equal to a. Now we will apply this law to our equation. Now we have 7 raised to the power of log in base 7. Also we have 5 raised to the power of log in base 5. And we have 10 raised to the power of log in base 10. So therefore the equation reduces to x minus 1 all squared minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Now at this point, we can expand this bracket. So this becomes s squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. So if we collect like terms, the expression reduces to s squared minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now, our equation here is a quadratic equation. We can obtain the roots of the equation using the factorization method. So we know that upon factorizing this, we'll look at for two numbers that their sum is equal to -5 and their product is equal to 6. The two numbers are -2 and -3. So we have it that this becomes s squared minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. So now we can now be able to simplify the equation. So this becomes x open bracket x minus 2 minus 3, open bracket, x minus 2 equal to 0. So we have it that x minus 3 multiplied by x minus 2 is equal to 0. So therefore, x minus 3 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Thus, the roots of the quadratic equation is giving us x is equal to 3 or s is equal to 2. Now at this point, we can check the validity of our results and also if we're going to have an extraneous solution. So let's put in the value of x equal to 3 and the value of s equal to 2 to check if we have an extraneous solution. So for x equal to 3, we have that 49 raised to the power of log of 3 minus 1 enclosed in a bracket in base 7 minus 5 raised to the power of log of 3 times 3 in base 5 plus 10 raised to the power of log of 5 in base 10 equal to 0. So now we have that this becomes 49 raised to the power of log 3 minus 1 is 2 in base 7 minus 5 raised to the power of log 3 times 3 is 9 in base 5 plus 10 raised to the power of log 5 to base 10 equal to 0. So at this point, we can express 49 giving us 7 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by log 2 in base 7 minus 5 raised to the power of log 9 in base 5 plus 10 raised to the power of log 5 in base 10 equal to 0. Now recall that n log m in base a is expressed as log m raised to the power of n in base a. So therefore, we can apply this law at this point. So the expression there becomes 7 raised to the power of log 2 raised to the power of 2 in base 7 minus 5 raised to the power of log 9 in base 5 plus 10 raised to the power of log 5 in base 10 equal to 0. Also, recall that if I have b raised to the power of log a to base b, this is equal to a. First, we apply this in our equation. So therefore, we have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 9 plus 5 is equal to 0. 2 raised to the power of 2 is giving us 4 minus 9 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now at this point, we have that 4 plus 5 minus 9 is equal to 0. Thus, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So therefore, 0 here is equal to 0. Thus, s equal to 3 is a solution. Now, let us check if 2 also satisfies our solution. So we have it that 49 raised to the power of log₂ minus 1, or in base 7, minus 5 raised to the power of log of 3 times 2 in base 5 plus 10 to the power of log of 5 to base 10, everything is equal to 0. Now this becomes 49 log of 2 minus 1 is 1 to base 7 minus 5 log of 3 times 2 is 6. This is to base 5 plus 10 log 5 to base 10. Everything is equal to 0. Now recall that log of 1 to any base is equal to 0. So therefore, log 1 to base 7 is equal to 0. And also recall that if I have b raised to the power of log a to base b, this is also equal to a. So we apply this in these expressions. So we can have it that this becomes 49 raised to the power of 0 minus 6 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we know that anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we have 1 minus 6 plus 5 is equal to 0. So if we arrange this, we have 1 plus 5 minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, the left-hand side becomes 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So therefore, x equal to 2 is a solution. Thank you so much for watching, and I believe you have found value in this video. Please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.